Yes, class 10th, welcome. Now we will take example number 15, okay, of exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, example 15. Exercise 5.2, class 10th, maths. Okay, now I am reading from textbook. See, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? See, they have given two APs. So AP1 equal to what is that? See, 63, 65, 67 dot dot dot, and second AP2 equal to 3, 10, 17 dot dot dot. Question is, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs equal? Okay, now first AP say that is nth term n, and second is say what? Nth term bn. Okay, now let nth term is an and bn are equal. Let an is equal to bn. See, an is for first AP and bn is for second AP. Now let us take their formula an. You know what is an? A plus n minus 1d. This is known to all of us. Bn equal to b plus n minus 1d. Got it? And you know, in AP, A means first term. So in this one also bn, b means first term. D you can calculate from this. D you can calculate from second. Got it? Now see, what is first term of first AP? That is 63. Then n minus 1. D, difference of first one, this what? 65 minus 3, 63, 2. Equal to B is what? 3. Plus n minus 1, D is what? 7. Yes or no? Now this 3 is brought this side, become 60. Right? Plus 2 bracket n minus 1 equal to 7 bracket n minus 1. So bringing these terms of n on the same side. So I got it 60 equal to 7n minus 1 minus 2n minus 1. See, 7n minus 1 minus 2n minus 1, that is 5n minus 1. Yes or no? Got it? 5n minus 1. Because n is same in both. We have taken let nth term is equal. Now see, 5 cross multiplication we are getting 12 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 13. So we got 13th term is same in both APs. That is 13th term are equal. 13th terms are equal. Got it? Fine. Now see, if you are asked, they can find 13th term A13, A plus n minus 1 means 12th D. पहले में A क्या है सर? 63 plus 12 into D is what? 2. See now, 63 plus 24, that is equal to 87. Got it? Understood? Now see, B13, see, B plus 12D. So B is what? 3 plus 12 multiplied by D is what? 7. 3 plus 12 7 is 84. That is equal to 87. See what? See, 87. It's A13 is 87, B13 is 87. This is verified. This is only for check. Okay. Now they can ask you which term 13th term equal, and if they are asking what is that term, then you have to find like this. Okay. Fine. Now see, students, all of you understood this. Now let us take example number 17. I am taking 17. Okay. Example 17. I am reading from textbook. Find 20th term from the last term of AP. So 20th term from last term means from end of AP. AP is given to you. I am writing AP 3, 8, 13, last term is 253. And if you remember, children, we have done examples of this type. Yes or no? Nth term from end is what? We know formula. Nth term from end equal to, what is formula? L minus 1 D. Yes or no? You are knowing this formula. 20th means what, beta? We will take n minus 1 19. That is a last term. What is last term? 253. See, write properly. 20th term from end. 20th term from end. That is equal to 253 minus 19. What is D? See, in your AP, D equal to 8 minus 3, 5. So you got it now. 253 minus 19 5 is 95. So subtract 158. Got it? So this is what 20th term from end. See, students, if you remember, I have given examples of this type to you. So I hope now you understood example 17, term from end. Now we will take example number 19. Example number 19. I am reading example 19. See, I am reading from textbook. I will write given thing. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. Okay. And received an increment of 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Look now. Started work in 95 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received increment of rupees 200 each year. So what is first salary? See, first annual salary. First annual salary equal to 5,000. Yes or no? What it? 5,000 rupees. What is increment? Increment per year equal to 200. Okay? Yes or no? So just now, what is last salary they are taking? 7,000. Okay? So we are taking it now. See, first is 5,000. Second year 5,200. Third year 5,400. ... Last is 7,000. Now we made AP. Now they are asking N. How many years? In which year? Okay. So nth year. Let salary in nth year equal to 7,000. Okay. Rupees. Got it? Now see, you got AP. You can find N. You know A. You know D. You know AN. Yes or no? Got it? Now see, therefore you just try your best. A equal to 5,000. D equal to 200. AN equal to 7,000. So AN equal to question mark. See, write AN formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. A is known, AN is known, D is known, N you will get. Okay. Please find value of N. Clear? Now children see, You will try for all remaining examples of 5.2. In next video, we are starting sum of n terms of AP. Right? See you.